everyone, Annie and Sydney here with Dietitian Talk, and today we are going to be talking about fiber. So to start off with, there are two different types of fiber. There is soluble and insoluble. So soluble fiber, what it means is just it dissolves in water. Food sources of that, it's going to be your oats, your nuts, your seeds, celery, cucumber, carrots. And what soluble fiber does, I kind of think of it as a scrubber and remover, kind of cleanses out your intestines. It also helps slow down digestion, which will help keep you full longer and also helps with blood sugar balance. So that's kind of fun.
Yeah, so that's soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber is typically what people think of more so when they think of fiber. So fruits and vegetables are the main sources. Avocado has some too. And the insoluble fiber is the indigestible part of the plant. So that's what's just going to push through you and keep things moving, keep you regular. Also helps with the removal of toxins too. Yeah. So super important part of the diet. We do recommend anywhere from 25 to 35 grams of fiber daily is a good goal to have.
Yeah. And if you can't get fiber in your diet, if you just can't get enough of that, you can look into fiber supplements. If you have any questions about which ones to get, you can always contact us. But when adding in fiber to your diet, you want to go low and slow. So small dosage, gradually increase, okay? Because that too much fiber can either cause constipation or digestive discomfort. So, yeah. Well, awesome. If you have any other questions, you can always contact us.